Welcome to the best pick. The best LED bed lights is probably one of the most versatile and practical upgrades you can make to your truck, transforming your cargo area from a dark, uninviting space into a brightly lit, functional zone perfect for late-night loading, early morning setup, or simply finding that dropped tool without fumbling in the dark. These innovative lighting solutions not only enhance the utility of your truck bed but also add a sleek, modern aesthetic, making it easier to work, play, and secure your gear no matter the time of day, ensuring you're always prepared for any task or adventure that comes your way. Number 5. Nilight 60-inch 270 LED bed light strip. Introducing the Nilight 60-inch bed light strip. With 270 super bright LEDs, it provides impressive illumination for your truck bed, cargo, or any space needing light. Installation is a breeze with a strong self-adhesive tape. For added security, you can also utilize the included mounting hardware. It comes with all the necessary wiring accessories, including a splitter cable, fuse, and switch. This ensures a safe and easy electrical hookup for your peace of mind. Designed with durability in mind, this light strip is IP67 sealed to protect against the elements. It's flexible and built for a long lifespan, ensuring reliable performance. Perfect for a variety of uses, from RV awnings and truck beds to step bars and side doors. Its versatility makes it a great lighting solution for many vehicles and applications. What we like. This option offers impressive brightness with 270 LEDs to fully illuminate your truck bed. It's designed for quick and secure installation with both adhesive tape and mounting hardware. If you need a reliable, bright, and straightforward lighting solution for general truck bed use, this is a solid choice. What people say. The lights are bright and the adhesive is strong, making installation easy. The remote control allows for easy color changes and dimming, which is great for setting the mood. The music sync feature is a fun addition, making the lights pulse to the beat of the music. Number 4. Nilight TR-088 PCS24 LED Rock Light Kit. Introducing the Nilight TR-08, a powerful lighting kit designed to brighten your adventures. With 8 pods and 24 ultra-bright LEDs, it provides ample light for any situation. Enjoy a practical and flexible design with plugs between each unit. You can easily adjust the length to perfectly suit your custom installation needs. Don't let harsh weather stop you. This kit is built to withstand rain, snow, and more with its IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring durability. Installation is a breeze with reliable tape and optional screws for a secure fit. Each strand includes a switch for easy control and ample wire length. This package includes everything you need: 8 pods with 24 LEDs, designed for your truck bed or off-road vehicle. It's the perfect lighting solution. Never be left in the dark again. These lights are bright enough to work after dark without needing extra flashlights or portable lights. What we like. With 8 individual lighting pods, this kit provides flexibility in placement and coverage for your truck bed or undercarriage. Each pod is weatherproof and designed for durability in harsh conditions. If you're looking for customizable lighting with multiple points of light, especially for off-road or more complex setups, this kit is ideal. What people say. The lights are bright and easy to install. The adhesive is strong and holds the lights securely in place. The remote control allows for easy adjustment of brightness and color. Number 3. MICTUNING 60-inch truck bed lights. Introducing our premium truck bed lighting system. These bright, white LED strips provide superior illumination for your entire truck bed, ensuring you can see everything clearly. With plenty of length, these lights are versatile enough for various uses beyond just your truck bed. Easily connect them for cargo areas, RV awnings, or even household decoration. Enhance your driving safety with the included on-off switch and fuse. You can freely control the lights and ensure electrical safety while on the road. Built to last, these lights feature IP67 sealed housing, protecting them from rain, snow, dirt, and sand. Enjoy long-lasting performance with a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. Installation is a breeze thanks to the strong adhesive tape. Simply peel and stick to any smooth surface in seconds, and use the included ties to keep wires tidy. What we like. This kit provides superior illumination with 270 LEDs across 3 long strips, ensuring your entire truck bed is lit. It comes with plenty of power wire for easy connection and includes safety features like an on-off switch and fuse. If you need extensive lighting coverage and prioritize safe, easy electrical hookup for various vehicles, this is a great option. What people say. The lights are very bright and illuminate the entire truck bed. Installation was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. The adhesive backing is strong and holds the light securely in place. Number 2. Nilight TL31 RGB Truck Bed Light Strip Kit. Introducing the Nilight TL31, a 60-inch RGB truck bed light strip kit. It provides impressive brightness with 180 LEDs, ensuring your entire truck bed is well lit. Choose from 8 solid colors and 4 dynamic music modes. You can also adjust colors, brightness, and speed to create the perfect ambience. Control your lights from a distance with the included RF remote. It works through solid walls, offering convenience and flexibility. Designed with an IP67 sealed housing, this light strip is protected against the elements. It's built to last with a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. Installation is a breeze with the peel and stick design. You can also use the included hardware for a more secure fit. It comes with all the necessary components for easy and safe electrical hookup, including a splitter cable, fuse, and switch. Enjoy peace of mind on the road. What we like. This kit offers a vibrant RGB lighting experience with 8 solid colors and dynamic modes, all controlled by an RF remote that works from a distance. It's also durable and weatherproof. If you want to add a customizable, colorful ambience to your truck bed and enjoy the convenience of remote control, this is the perfect choice for creating a unique look. What people say. So many color options. Easy to mount. More than enough cable to connect. The remote works well. The adhesive mount works great, but there is a screw mount option too. Fits perfect in my 3rd gen Tacoma long bed. Also, the power draw is minimal. The LEDs are very bright, go along with music via vibrations, and have some pretty color light effects. I mainly need a bright white for everyday use, and red for when I am camping so I don't disturb others. They serve this perfect very well. Very good quality. The product works just like stated in the description. The cabling was long enough for a 2011 F350 long bed. The LED strip lights are only 65 feet, and those got centered over the truck's wheel wells, under the bed rail. I would highly recommend using split wire loom for all the cabling to avoid the cable chaffing and ultimately grounding out and blowing the fuse, which is very important. Number 1. 2 PCS 60-inch RGB Truck Bed Light Strip Kit. Illuminate your entire truck bed with these super bright lights. They provide excellent visibility, ensuring safe driving even in darkness or foggy conditions. Control your lights with our upgraded app. Choose from dynamic scene modes, sync with music, adjust brightness, and even create your own custom styles. It's compatible with both iOS and Android. These lights are built to last with an IP68 waterproof rating. They can withstand harsh weather, protecting them from rain, dust, and sand. Installation is a breeze with included adhesive tape and fasteners. For a more secure fit, simply clean the surface, peel, stick, and you're good to go. These lights are compatible with any 12V vehicle, including trucks, trailers, and boats. They come with a fuse for added wiring safety. What we like. This option brings your truck bed lighting to life with RGB colors and advanced app control, allowing for dynamic scenes and personalized styles. It boasts an IP68 waterproof rating for ultimate durability. If you're a tech-savvy user who loves customization and wants the most modern, controllable, and robust lighting solution, this app-controlled kit is the one for you. What people say. The lights are bright and have a good color. Easy to install and they look great under the bed. The remote control works well and has many color options. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.